Intermittent fasting, IF, has surged in popularity as a dietary strategy for weight loss, improved health, and longevity. But what does science say about its effectiveness? This article delves into the science behind intermittent fasting, exploring how it works, its potential benefits, and whether it truly lives up to the hype. What is intermittent fasting? Intermittent fasting is an eating pattern that alternates between periods of eating and fasting. Unlike traditional diets that focus on what you eat, intermittent fasting focuses on when you eat. There are several popular methods of intermittent fasting, each with its own schedule and guidelines. Popular methods of intermittent fasting. 16-8 method. Fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window each day. For example, you might eat between 12 p.m. and 8 p.m. and fast from 8 p.m. to 12 p.m. the next day. 5-2 diet. Eat normally for 5 days of the week and restrict calorie intake to about 500 to 600 calories on 2 non-consecutive days. Eat, stop. Eat. Fast for 24 hours once or twice a week, such as from dinner one day until dinner the next. Alternate day. Fasting. Alternate between days of normal eating and days of fasting or very low-calorie intake. Intermittent fasting triggers various metabolic changes that impact how your body processes and utilizes nutrients. Benefits of intermittent fasting. Weight loss and fat loss. One of the most popular reasons for adopting intermittent fasting is its potential for weight loss. Weight loss mechanism. Increased fat oxidation. Lower insulin levels and increased HGH during fasting periods promote the utilization of fat for energy. Reduced caloric intake. Restricting eating times can naturally decrease calorie consumption. Improved metabolic health. Intermittent fasting has been shown to positively impact various markers of metabolic health. Metabolic health benefits. Better blood sugar control. Intermittent fasting can improve insulin sensitivity and help regulate blood sugar levels. Reduced inflammation. Some studies suggest that intermittent fasting can decrease markers of inflammation, which is associated with numerous chronic diseases. Enhanced brain function. Fasting periods can affect brain health and cognitive function. Brain health benefits: increased brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF. Fasting can boost levels of BDNF, a protein linked to brain health, cognitive function, and protection against neurodegenerative diseases. Neuroplasticity. Fasting may enhance neuroplasticity, which is crucial for learning and memory. Longevity and aging. Intermittent fasting may influence aging and longevity. Longevity benefits: reduced oxidative stress. Fasting can decrease oxidative stress and improve cellular repair processes. Increased lifespan in animals. Research in animals suggests that intermittent fasting can extend lifespan, though human studies are still ongoing. The science behind intermittent fasting research evidence. Key studies: weight loss studies. Clinical trials have shown that intermittent fasting can lead to significant weight loss and fat loss, similar to or better than continuous calorie restriction. Metabolic health studies. Research has demonstrated improvements in insulin sensitivity, blood glucose levels, and cholesterol profiles with intermittent fasting. Longevity research. Animal studies indicate that intermittent fasting may extend lifespan and delay age-related diseases, though human evidence is still developing. Considerations and limitations. While intermittent fasting shows promise, it's essential to consider potential limitations and individual variations. Individual responses. The effectiveness of intermittent fasting can vary based on individual metabolism, lifestyle, and health conditions. Adherence. Success with intermittent fasting depends on consistency and adherence to the fasting schedule. Conclusion. Intermittent fasting has emerged as a popular dietary strategy with potential benefits for weight loss, metabolic health, brain function, and longevity. The science supports many of its claims, with research showing improvements in fat loss, insulin sensitivity, and markers of inflammation. However, individual responses can vary, and it's crucial to approach intermittent fasting with a balanced perspective. If you have any more questions or topics you'd like me to explore, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. I'm always here to help and support you on your health and wellness journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-backed content on nutrition, health, and wellness. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.